What's up guys, Luis from Lu Media here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to source vinyl for your decals or for your custom shirt presses. I use a couple of different vendors only because pricing, one is pricing, two is how quick do I need it, and three, depending how much bulk of it do I need. So some of these are going to be a little bit of obvious places where I buy it, and one of them is Amazon. So on Amazon you're able to purchase things fairly easy, obviously, if you guys have ever used it, and especially if you have a Prime account. So what the Prime account allows you to do is to get items within 2 days usually, and sometimes if you spend over $35 you get it in 1 day. Amazon's a really good place to find something if you need something in a crunch. Maybe you need a lot of 15 feet of a certain amount of vinyl, but you need it delivered on Saturday or Sunday. And luckily Amazon does that. They don't work through your typical USPS. They have their own local delivery from their warehouses. So yes, I use Amazon when I'm in a very tight crunch. The second website that I use is called UScutter. I actually purchased my vinyl cutter from these guys, and I purchased also a lot of big bulk vinyl from them. Now they do take a little bit longer to deliver. I believe it's like 3 to 4 days, and if you order on the weekend, of course the weekends don't count. And then they also have coupons sometimes, so that's why I typically buy from them. And they have all sorts of vinyl. I mean, I'm talking about reflective vinyl. They have all type of specialty vinyl that you might need. The last website that I'm going to show you is called Fellers. Now, this company is really good, especially if you have one locally, and they are in a lot of major cities. I live in Fort Worth, Texas, so I have multiple locations within the DFW area. They are really good because you can buy in very big bulk, and usually if you order the day before or before 9 a.m. the day of that you need it, they actually have their own courier service as well, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So I really like using them if I need a bulk amount of vinyl, like a big roll, and I can get it fairly quick. Now the honorable mentions is Michael's and Joann's. Now these are your typical craft stores, and I believe maybe Hobby Lobby might carry some as well. I haven't really purchased from there, but they always have some type of sale going on, and they're really good because they carry the full Cricut line of HTV vinyl and regular vinyl, but they also carry 12 by 12 sheets of Oracal. At least my local Michael's does. It makes it really easy. For example, we need something on Sunday and it's a smaller decal, and sometimes I'll just bite the bullet even if I lose a little bit of money on it or if I barely make anything, just to keep the customer happy. Remember guys, keeping your customer happy is rule number one, and to get repetitive business. You never know when that customer might need a big order, whether it's t-shirts or they have a business and they need some type of graphics on their car. You never know when they're going to come back. So always keep in mind those stores as well. Now the very last place that I'm going to mention, and this might be a little bit strange, but I guarantee you somebody will have some, is your Facebook Marketplace or your typical OfferUp, let go type of marketplace, even Craigslist. And there's a lot of people that do buy it in bulk, and when they don't sell much to customers, or they actually are willing to sell locally to other vendors or to other businesses or small businesses like yourself. Always check your local marketplaces. Always check Michael's and Joann's. You never know what you might find. Those are just some of the places that I use, and while some are very obvious, I know like Fellers and UScutter are a little bit one of those little kept secrets. And I will add this as well. You don't need a tax ID or a business ID to purchase from these guys. Now you do need to create an account with them, but that doesn't really require anything besides your debit card number or your credit card and just what you call your business. So that's it guys, super short and sweet. Please hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you think, and I will keep releasing videos from this series as fast as possible so that you guys can get the best free knowledge here on my channel. Catch you on the next one.